You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A word from French. How do you say it? This is also the name of a neighborhood in Paris. For more names of famous places in Paris, stay tuned. Salpêtrière. Salpêtrière is how Parisians, French people, how it would be said in France. Salpêtrière, or in English, if you can pronounce French really well, you can say it as Salpêtrière. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.